a few important questions for you. Do you always crave junk food? Does your energy level always stay low? Do you ever find it hard to focus, even on the littlest task? What about weight? Are you finding it hard to maintain and manage your weight? Do you have a lot of inflammation? My name is Alicia, and the reason I'm here today asking these questions is because if you struggle with any of these symptoms, you are most likely dealing with a gut problem. That's why I want to tell you about Get Healthy with Silver. Yes, you heard that right, silver. This unique and special silver helps to get rid of bad bacteria in your gut and could help you with all of your symptoms. There's an outstanding amount of research to back this up, and if you don't believe me, check it out for yourself. This could be the solution you have been waiting for.